Hey you, quick video. Canon Powershot SD780 IS. IS stands for image stabilization. Somebody asked me recently, one of my viewers, how do you take the battery out and the SD card out? Well, I know it could be tricky if you lost the manual or if you just don't know. Actually, it's right here at the bottom. So this is exactly where you put your battery and your SD card. And let me just show you that right now. So you're going to slide this open. You see that? And then it just, boom, right there. So there it is. There's the battery right there. And I actually have a genuine Canon battery in here, which is pretty cool. It still works. And I think it's, here we go. I think it's a very good camera. It's also good to label your batteries. That's why I have it labeled SD780, so you don't get confused if you got other Canon cameras. But very simple, the way you put it in, you line up the contacts, which are right there with the inside. You got the contacts, and then you're just gonna slide the battery in there like that. Now watch. So you're just gonna go like this. The orange little tab's gonna go over the battery. That means it's in place. Now here is the SD card right here. So if you wanted to get your pictures and video out, there's your SD card. You can take it out and put it in your computer or card reader and get your pictures that way. But here's a tricky thing. If somebody who doesn't know, let's put this back in. Now, how would you do it if you didn't want to use the SD card, or your computer does not have an SD card slot? Well, the other way you can do it is, and it's very deceptive because you can't see it too well, because this camera is all black, as you can see. And so sometimes it's hard to tell, but you can actually connect HDMI, and you can actually live stream with this camera, believe it or not. I actually done a tutorial on it, so if you're interested in watching that. But look, here it is, HDMI AV out. So there you pull that open, and look, it's like magic. So there's the HDMI out, and there is your USB connection. So as soon as you want to get that connected to your PC, you can get your movies, your videos, your pictures, and what may you out through there. Very nice little camera, and you can just put that back on there. Let me turn it on just so you can see. Look at that. It's still very, very nice. It still makes awesome pictures. I still use it. I think it's a great little camera. It's very tiny, and if you got an original battery, that's cool, or you can always get a knockoff brand. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share that with you because somebody did ask me. So once again, the battery is in there. That's exactly where the SD card is too. And I hope you found it useful. Give me some comments. Let me know if you own this camera. I think it's awesome. And yeah, I'll look forward to your feedback. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.